Hi everyone, in this video we will try to solve problem Capcut template that is not showing on your TikTok account. So as you can see, Capcut templates are now available on TikTok since you can now save and upload directly to TikTok all your Capcut templates or Capcut videos. Now if it's not available, once you click from your TikTok and Capcut template is not available, the simplest thing to do is to make sure that Capcut is updated from your phone. So for example, this one, Capcut video editor needs to be updated. So make sure that it's always updated. Or if it's still not working, you can uninstall the Capcut app and then you can reinstall it again because time to time they're upgrading some features to help you make even more beautiful and amazing videos. Now you can also try it again once you have reinstalled the app. Then you can open your TikTok account and try to use the template available. So hope this helps. If you find this interesting, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.